different.
Oh, the second one you ate. Look at that. I can even hear it from you. Krum is going. What's this t-shirt say, Josh? What does your t-shirt say?
No rules.
No rules?
See? And
So I can give you one ED. No rules, right? So I can give you an ED.
you want one? You want one?
No, I don't want that. 'Cause I don't want to go into the oven.
You're not.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just try one. You're not going in the oven. But just try one.
Hopefully it will be enough for all of them, Joshua. There's a neck. I'm going to stuff some in the neck. Okay, put some in the neck. Just keep putting, baby. Just keep putting. It over? Keep putting. There you go. That's good enough.
Oh, there's a light in here somewhere, right, Josh? Better not help me.
Next guy was Saturday's. It's this fellow. Then mommy will do, baby. It's taking too long otherwise, yeah.
You just tell me what it is, Josh. You gonna eat that also? What mommy's putting in? As a snack? Why? How come you're only eating this one?
Goes into that, Joshua. So that you like that, right? Filling? That's the last one, and one more there is. I'll just keep it inside, Rakesh. Yeah. No. Then what we'll do, Joshua, give me the filling. Hold and you can eat how much you want. What do you need to do? Just take
let me hold the filling for you. Pick up the bottom. Give me the bottom. There you go.
You just hold like this and squish them inside. The reason you need the filling is one, keep the stuff open. When I come, don't put your hand inside, Chacha. I'm coming with Kori hands.
Hey, Chuki, you have eaten more bread crumbs than the Kori has gone into the Kori. I really think you need to go into the oven.
What?
I really think you need to go into the oven. There's more breadcrumbs in your tummy than inside the Kori. What do you say?
Nope.
It's a bad idea, Daddy.
Bad idea.
I think the breadcrumbs are going and bothering you.
Yeah. The good thing is I thought I heard from Jeremiah's voice that she's also got a cold. Hey.
Not inside. No.
Go the other way.
Gosh.
Just get off then. If you have to cough, then just get off.
You don't even know.
Yeah.
You go.
No, because you're coughing.
You can't.
I'm not coughing.
You're being mean.
That's it. Don't. Cut. Okay, now next fellow here. This is done. One more Kori. This one is slightly sweet. This is not Eru, Joshua. We think it's Eru, but it says it's a sweet pickles, right?
Daddy? You're never watching me. You're never watching me do cooking ever again.
Yeah?
Turn that off.
No, I'm turning it on because I gotta watch this.
Yeah, so here we go. It's getting heavier and heavier, Joshua. You know why it's getting heavier and heavier?
Because we put all this.
Oh, yeah, and this is a lot of stuff.
What's the next one coming in, Josh?
It's got. Yeah,
what is it?
It's got.
I don't know. I can see it. I just don't know what
peppers.
It's sweet peppers.
Then mommy put in some chilies, right?
No chilies.
No chilies?
No, mama. No, mama. No.
Oh man, all that Cody stuff is on Mommy's dress.
That's okay. Right, Joshua?
What stuff?
Daddy thinks there's some stuff on my dress.
Hmm? Where are you pointing?
Don't look.
There's more Cody that way? Hmm?
Yep.
Yeah? 4th and the 5th Cody for the 5 people?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're only doing the 3 now.
Okay.
We bought 5, but we're only doing 3.
Where did you keep the other 2?
The freezer.
Freezer. We already
Bye,
had.
Mama Rajesh.
Hmm?
You can take that out. That's enough.
The under.
You put too much weight on my back, baby. Thank you, sir.
How come you don't have an apron? Mommy only has an apron.
With the assistant cook, right, Jojo? What's his name? Your boots? Not boots.
Because
boots.
she
Hmm.
does the stuff.
Hmm.
So if she gets muck on her dress, it's okay. But I am not really cooking, so it won't happen with food.
Hmm.
Hopefully his burgers will get cooked after this is time. Okay.
So it's all done now?
Yeah, now it's on the oven.
Hmm?
Now we take that thing, put it over, and put it in the oven.
Is Mommy going to slide you off?
Add more meat.
There's fire in the oven.
There's fire in the oven?
Yeah.
Wow.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Hasn't turned on yet.
No, it hasn't turned on yet.
Yeah.
I had to press one more time. Luckily we checked, but this guy we don't need, so we'll take him off.
See?
Oh yeah. What's making that noise, yeah?
Oh.
Then we start them off from here. It cooks slowly. Oh, we need to put one in.
Okay. Order that വേണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ തട്ടം എടുത്ത് പുറത്തേക്ക് വെച്ചോ. ബ്രെഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാ?
What are they?
ബ്രെഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞാ?
No, we can give the bread.
ബ്രെഡിനാണ് 8 മിനിറ്റ് 12 മിനിറ്റ് ഷോർട്ട് ഡ്യൂറേഷനാണ്. Okay, Josh.
Coconut.
Hmm?
Coconut.
What's the coconut? The coconut you gotta put in the curry?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay, there it goes. Hopefully Sarah is stuck in traffic, Josh. I have enough time to take a shower.
You?
Yeah.
That's done.
Okay.
If you want, then go take a shower now.
Okay.
Then we clean up, and then what we'll do, Joshua, all the rest of the stuff, Mommy will just simply cook it, so we can have it.